Hey everybody, this is Jared from PitchHub. Today we're going to talk about how to upload to Instagram from the website. So when you're logged in Instagram.com, go to your profile. You can see I'm doing it here in the upper right. Click Profile. And then right above your post, it's going to say Posts, Reels, IGTV. Reels is for 15 to 30-second posts. So if your thing is longer, your video is longer than that, which probably is, you want to click IGTV. And you see that blue upload button. This is totally new, and you're going to upload directly from here. So you're going to click this upload button, and then it's going to take you to this screen. So this is where you're going to drag and drop your video file that's located on your computer, and you're going to be able to add. So here I'm selecting the file that I want from the computer. Just click it, select the file that we're sharing the iShot mount, and then here I was filling in some of the details about the video. And then I'm just going to let it upload. So you're going to put a cover, a title image, and give it a little description right in there. It's going to share straight to your IGTV. Now remember, it's anything over a minute. You can share it in landscape or horizontal or vertical format. It's up to you. And then it's going to post straight to your profile. It's that first video on the left there. You can see it preparing now, and it's on our page, so you can get to see it. So again, this is how you can post now. You do not have to go to the app. You had to previously. Now you can just go to Instagram.com, make sure you're logged in, select IGTV, click upload, and you are ready to go. Hope that was helpful. Let us know if you need any questions.